To make money on AliExpress is very easy. What you have to do is find some of the best selling products, but at the same time not something that everybody are buying and selling on eBay and Amazon FBA. So let's go first to the super deals. Let me show you this particular page. The super deals gives you excellent deals on a lot of popular products that are going to make you pretty good money. What you want to look for is things that you can turn from 99 cents, for example, to 12 bucks. Here is a very excellent idea here for you. Now, this is aluminum bumper case for iPhone 4. The cost is only 99 cents. And you can get it in any different color you actually like. So you can even open your own shop to sell iPhone cases and make a huge amount of money. You're getting this for 99 cents, selling it for around 10 bucks a piece in the mall. You can get a lot of cash. Let's go back in here and show you some other things. So the phone accessories is the top selling item because everybody really needs accessories for the phone, but they're looking for things that are pretty cheap. So you're buying it even cheaper and selling it for money, and you're getting pretty good cash in the process. Here's another very interesting case too. I really like their cases and accessories for the iPhone. I think those things are going to be big money makers for you. Here is a few other items as well. Here is a universal car stand holder for the iPhone 6 for $3.4 a piece. This is definitely something you can make at least 12 bucks for, and this is an awesome product. Check this out, the micro USB sync data charger cable for 2 bucks only. So there's a lot of very good products you can get here and resell them for a lot more money. You have to look and you have to test the market out. I do suggest you get some of those products, maybe a few of them at a time. I would not get any more than 10 bucks worth of different products, and then test them out on the market. Test how it sells on eBay, and you can even write your own description and picture it and resell for a lot of money. Here is a security camera. This is for $38. That's a little too expensive. I would not be buying something like this. Let's keep looking. So there was a lot of really good bargains here, and this was a Spider-Man t-shirt, and this is a Commander, so the price is not that great. I'm staying away from this. You can get this a lot cheaper in the United States in some places. You have to really be careful what you're buying here because some of this stuff is not as good as it is. Some things are very good and you can resell them for a lot more. Other stuff is not so great. So this is just the top selling in AliExpress. Let's get out of here. There's a lot of things here, unbelievable amount of bargains. So what you can do is, instead of going by the best match, which is the price here that we have here, we can even go by discount. Find like the biggest discount. We can do by the top sellers instead. So the seller rating and by the order number. So we can look by the highest number of orders, which is showing you some of the highest number of orders, the best matches, the prices. There's all kinds of ways that you can actually view this. And let's get back in here. And what we're going to do next, this is the daily deal. We have the feature deals. Let's get to the feature deals. And we have the end of season sale here, 40% off the women's clothes, men's clothes, accessories. There's all kinds of very interesting things here that you can get and make pretty good cash. Look at this, like a woman dress for 10 bucks. You can definitely probably sell something like this for around 15 bucks or I don't know, like maybe even 20. So there was a lot of interesting looking items here, and definitely a way for you to make a lot of cash in the process. Let's get into the best selling section next. So the best selling section, which is kind of awesome by itself, gives you the top selling items in every single category. So what you have to do, and this is pretty simple, you have to find and sell things that are not in the top 10 list. I would not be selling the top 10 items. Everybody is selling and buying the top 10 items, and you definitely do not want to do this, because if you're selling what everybody else is selling, you are saturating the whole market, and they already are saturating it, and you are just contributing to it, and you won't be able to make good cash. So I'm looking for maybe not even the top 25. We're gonna go into like top 30, maybe top 50, and looking for things that are interesting, unusual, and cheap. So we're buying them pretty cheap and selling them for good kind of money. Let's see what we have here. We have those shades. No, I don't really like this. 11 bucks is not enough of a profit margin for me to play around with this. Handbag, I don't like those kind of stuff either. So let me go back. I just seen something. This is an interesting item right there. I just seen this. So this looks pretty good actually. And for $2, you can't really go wrong with something like this. So what you're really trying to find is something really cheap. And look at this. How many people enjoy this item? 95% out of almost 2,000 people. You definitely are getting a quality made item. So getting something like this, and here is the issue with this. Now, this can be sold for a lot more. The reason for that, look at the models. Look at them. They are, first of all, they're Chinese. You want to get somebody who is Western. And the reason for that, if you're selling this United States, that's what you want to do. You want to find somebody who's going to model it and make it look pretty good. And the only issue with them, with the Chinese models, is that somebody right away in the United States knows this item is coming from China. This way you have somebody from, looks like an American model, and you definitely can price this item a lot higher. So you can sell it for around 15 or maybe 12 bucks a piece and take a little bit more fancy and better looking pictures. This is a stock photo, by the way, and I think it doesn't do it justice. I think this particular item can be sold for a lot more money. So let's get back in here, take a look at some other items. Look at this belt buckle. $6 is not enough profit margin to play with this. I don't like it. And let's see what else we have here. We have those bags. This is an interesting looking bag actually. Let me check this one out. So let's look at that. This bag, for example, $6 each, military retro style. It actually looks pretty cool, and I wouldn't mind like having something like that around for $6. I mean, this is cheap. So if you are gonna buy something like this, you have to have a practical use for it. Maybe do something on YouTube, wear it around, sell it, but definitely for $6 you're getting a very good deal. So if you can sell this for around $15 or $16 a piece, yeah, you made some decent money on each of those, and it's free shipping to United States, but it does take a long time. Look at this, 30 to 60 days, but that's fine because now it's the summertime. You can buy those kind of items and just afford to wait, because during the holiday season somebody might actually want to get this. But remember, always get test products. Just get one or two of any of those products to test them out. You're buying them cheap and you're selling them expensive. If it doesn't work, you end up keeping this item, or you might sell it at a little bit of a loss. So just to know this, when you're buying those kind of items, make sure you actually like them. So just in case something goes wrong and nobody buys them, you get to keep them. So